All right, guys. Well, I was just on Facebook and just saw somebody posted that they're missing their boxer. Their boxer got out. They have lived in the neighborhood for about a month, and she didn't come home. And from what I saw, it looked like the boxer was older. My guess would be 9, 10, 11 years oldish. But when I saw it, it's only been an hour or so since the dog hasn't returned home. And that is the best time frame that we can find them, because that means more than likely they're not far. And so, you know what? I'm just taking it upon myself to go over there and help them. With that dog only being gone for a short amount of time, and the dog is elderly, oh man, I hope I unhooked the extension cord. We're gonna find out. Charging my generator. With the dog being elderly, chances are it's not gonna be far. And so, man, I do this for a living, and it's just hard for me to sit back and not reach out to help. And so, you know what? I just started charging batteries, and I sent them several texts on Facebook. And so finally, I'm gonna go over there and try to help find it. So, y'all say prayers, guys. I'm gonna be in the air in about 20 minutes, and hopefully I can find this dog fairly quickly. So you can see right here on your point. So is your yard fenced?
Well, we keep them in the pool area back here in the back, around the back right here. Let's see where we're at.
Yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, right here. This whole area back here is, and that's where they got out at.
Gotcha.
I think the male dog got the fence open at the gate a little bit, and a little rambunctious, but he's younger.
You're going to switch over to the thermal view right now. Alright, so we're going to get up to about 350 feet. Alright, so there's the truck. This is your house right here.
Yeah.
There's actually something right there on the back side. See that? See that hot spot? Right there. Deer.
Right there?
Yep. Bedded down deer. So let me ask you this. So if she was in this part of your neighborhood, do you think she would make it back?
Yes.
So if she was in your cul-de-sac, you think that no problem?
Yeah.
She'd make it back.
Oh, my wife and I were talking, only thing we could think of is maybe somebody took her in,
Yeah, they've got her.
Yeah.
That could be the case.
Which we were saying, that's why we were trying to get on the neighborhood Facebook and post on there.
Yeah, and that very well could be the case.
Yeah, I found probably 30 deer looking for them.
Guarantee you. Yep. Deer. Looks like a deer.
Yeah, that's a deer.
Oh, there's a nutria. So there's not a seawall right there. So if she did fall in, see how you?
Well, that's about the only place.
See how he stands out?
But I mean, I'm telling you, like the pool. She doesn't even like getting close to the pool.
Yeah.
So I can't imagine her, unless she was messing with him, getting close to the lake.
Well, sometimes what I've seen, including my own, I've got 2 blue tick coonhounds, and I've seen them on that seawall and they slip.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, that's it. There's something right there. I think it's
Just brush.
Yeah.
81. $161.
Okay, it was crazy that she wasn't with him though. That's what really got me. Because normally, I mean, they're right there together for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I looked through the brush earlier. I didn't see anything.
Yeah, the other. Oh, there she is.
Oh, yeah,
there she
that
is.
her.
She's
That
in the
is her.
water.
Yes, that is her.
She is in the water. So I'm gonna stay above and watch. Holy moly, she's in the water. Holy moly, we found her, guys. She's walking toward the brush. She's turning to go the other way now. Let me see if I can head her off. Come on. Oh, thank the Lord, guys. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, thank the Lord. That is so awesome. That is so awesome. Holy moly, thank you. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh, what a godsend, guys. To have this technology to be able to see that, because I don't know if she would have survived being in that water. She couldn't get out. Oh, fantastic. Haha, that's awesome. She's in the house. Yes. That is so awesome, guys. And with that, that's why I love what I do, guys. That right there saved that dog's life. Oh, I love it. Oh, what a godsend, guys. That is so awesome. When I saw that this dog was missing, something told me to get up and start charging batteries to go out and help find them. Because here's the thing, is that she had only been missing for 1 or 2, maybe 3 hours at most. And that means, especially being an older dog, she's not gonna be far. So I felt it in my bones that I should be here, and man, the Lord was guiding me. to help find her. We just started looking in the water because I was so worried that her being older and they live on the lake that maybe she fell off the seawall and was in the water, and sure enough, she was right by the seawall. So I cannot say enough about this thermal drone technology that we use these days. And the sad part is that we're actually under fire by the government to try to ban the technology that we use, because they say that since it's China based that they're spying on us. And this goes to show right here that this technology saves lives. And so you tell me what China is learning by me looking for a lost dog in a neighborhood. It's just one of those bureaucratic government things that unfortunately affects a lot of people when they make decisions like this. And so many prayers that we can get through these times and keep doing what we do for our business, because good people do good things, you know, and that's all we want to do with this technology is, you know, help lost pets get back home and aid farmers into spraying their crops and save money. You know, just do things better, more efficient, keep pilots safe. And it's amazing what drones can do these days. And so
thank you so much.
with that being said, guys, I'm going to load up and head back home. So what a great night. Thank the Lord.